Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana. It can only be me, and I am coming at you with a crock pot recipe. Now this recipe is going to be 3 different things cooked in the crock pot at the same time on low temperatures. So if you're interested in what I'm going to be making and how I'm going to be putting it together, please stay tuned for this next clip. Alright y'all, so what I'm going to be making is some crock pot turkey legs, and this is for, I'm going to make, first of all, I'm going to make crock pot turkey legs with potatoes and some Brussels sprouts. Now, I've never done this combination or this before, so this is my first time, and I'm so interested and eager to try it. The turkey leg, I already know most definitely is going to be good. The potatoes, most definitely, I done did the potatoes already in the crock pot. But I never had Brussels sprouts in the crock pot, but I know it'll be good. So, to start off, the ingredients you're going to need is 1 smoked turkey leg. You're going to need you some green onion or a regular onion. You're going to need you some potatoes. You're going to need you some seasoning of your choice. You're going to need some real bacon bits or home cooked bacon crumble up. You're going to need you some garlic. You're going to need some barbecue sauce of your choice. And you're going to need some thyme. You're also going to need the Brussels sprouts. Alright. So, first thing first. Only thing I'm about to do right now is I'm about to take this turkey leg and baste it with my barbecue sauce. Okay, so this right here, I'm doing this for a low calorie diet, a lifestyle change, of course. So I'm just gonna baste it with the barbecue sauce on all sides. If you want to go in there with your hands, go in. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, because it's your food and you do what you want to do. But y'all know this gonna be so good on this smoked turkey leg, y'all, with the barbecue sauce. And it's just cooking in this crock pot slowly all night long, honey, wrapped up in this foil, so all the juices and everything in this sauce and all that is just gonna get down inside this meat, honey, and it's just gonna be oh so good. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your onion up, the green onion, as much as you would like around your turkey leg. Okay, so when you get as much as you want, only thing you're gonna do is wrap it up in the foil and place this right down in the bottom of the crock pot. And in the bottom of the crock pot, I'm just gonna add just a little smidget of water. Just a little bit. I already got mine going. But add just a little smidget of water. And this green onion is just going to flavor this turkey leg through and through. And then what I'm going to add is a little garlic. Just a little bit. Not too much. A little going to go a long way with this. Okay. So we just want that little garlic just for that flavor, you know, that it's going to give it. Just like that. Okay, those green onions all on that turkey leg. So now only thing we're about to do is wrap that up. Wrap it up. If you need to double wrap it, but just wrap it up. And I think I'm gonna double wrap mine so all my juices and all the sauce and everything stays in the foil. So now we're moving on to the potatoes. So I have 2 potatoes already washed. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my potatoes and I'm just going to cut it up big like that. And the reason why I'm cutting them big because I want them to hold through the whole cooking time without cooking down until a mush, you know. I don't want a mush. I want something like, you know, some roasted potatoes or something. You know, crock pot cooked, tender, juicy, nice potatoes, you know. All right. So now we got that. So we're going to go on, add to the potatoes a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. A little goes a long way. You know we can't have that much, okay? So then you're going to add you a little bit of garlic. Not too much. Then you're going to add some seasonings of your choice. Whatever kind of seasonings you want. Make sure it's seasoned. This is my low sodium seasoning. Okay. And then you're going to add about 2 sprigs of thyme. 2 sprigs of thyme in there. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to take this right here and mix it up together. Real good. Get those potatoes all coated all around and down. And down. Okay. I think I want to add a little heat, y'all. So I'm going to take me a little Cajun seasoning and put it on my potatoes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then the sprigs of rose thyme. And then I'm just going to take my foil and fold this up like so. Alright, family, so now on to the Brussels sprouts. I got my Brussels sprouts all cut up, but I saved one just for y'all to show y'all how I cut them up. I cut the ends off of them first, the bottom. And then I just take them and I split them in half. If it was too big, I split it that way, like that, into quarters. Alright, so what you need is your Brussels sprouts. We're going to take these Brussels sprouts and we're just going to dump them right out on our foil, like that. And what we want to do is we want to coat our Brussels sprouts with any kind of oil that you want to use. I have my garlic chili oil that I'm going to be using. So I put some of that on there. And I'm going to add the bacon. I have some bacon, real bacon bits. Then I have a ham seasoning. So I'm going to take my ham seasoning. This is for extra added flavor. That's it. But be careful because I do have salt. Okay. And then I have a little Cajun seasoning. I'm going to add just a little bit of that. And then I have my seasoning. My low sodium with all my herbs and everything in there that I'm going to need for this right here. Okay. All right. So now we got this green onion right here. So we're going to take this green onion and we're just going to cut up some green onion right over this Brussels sprouts. And once I cut this green onion up, only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. I'm going to mix it all together with my hands. Toss it all together. Get all the seasonings and everything on it. And then the seasonings and everything on it. And then close this one on up. And we're going to move on to the next step. So that's what it looks like when you get everything mixed up. Okay? So let's take it and fold all this goodness together. And we're just going to let all this here steam and cook together in this foil paper. Okay, family. So now we have our turkey leg, our potatoes, and our Brussels sprouts. And now they're ready to go into the crock pot. So in the crock pot, I took about half a cup of water, just enough water to barely cover the bottom of my crock pot. So I took a half cup of water. So I'm going to take my, it's in there. Take my turkey leg. I guess the potatoes just going to have to go down in here in the bottom like that because the turkey leg is too big to go in there. Okay, and then we're going to take the Brussels sprouts and we're just going to put them right in there just like so. Okay, so I'm going to just add just a tad bit more water to the bottom to make sure that, you know, my thing don't crack or anything like that, because it don't have enough water in it or whatever. Okay, so yeah, it's enough now. All right, so now we got the turkey leg, we got everything in there. Only thing we about to do is set it and forget it for some hours, y'all. So we just gonna let this cook on low all night and until in the morning. Then I'll come and check it and see if it's tender and everything is done or whatever. So right now it's actually 9:25 p.m. my time. So I'm gonna let this cook all night, and I'll let y'all see what it looks like when it's done. All right, family, it is now officially the next morning. It is now 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna check my crock pot to see what everything is looking like. So the water's still in the bottom, y'all. So we're just gonna take everything out first. Let's see. Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Okay. Can't try them. This is the look of them. They is a little overcooked. Because I slept too late this morning. But they taste good. They still taste good. They soft and tender and almost a little mushy or whatever. Try not to overcook yours when you do it. I did keep mine on low the whole night that I cooked it. It's just that it had done cooked for so long. So it's a turkey leg. This a turkey leg. This a turkey leg. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh, look at that. Oh. Look at that. That thing coming off the bone. So next time I know not to cook it so long. This was my first time doing it, like I said. So I didn't know how long to cook it. I just wanted to come and show y'all. But look at that turkey leg. Now I ain't cooked that turkey leg too long. Ain't no wrong with turkey leg coming off the bone, okay? Look at that. Just a little piece. Just a little. That's good, y'all. Okay. Like that right down. So now the potatoes. Now I hope they ain't overcooked. I did cut them up big. They might be. Oh, they looking good, y'all. Hey. They looking good now. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, y'all. So that's them potatoes, y'all. Look at the potatoes. Oh, yes. They still nice. Just like I wanted them. They they held up perfect. Held up perfect, y'all. Just like I needed them. I'm gonna taste a little piece. So y'all, that is my crock pot dinner. I'm gonna just put my turkey leg back in the crock pot, and take the picture. But until next time, peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. This your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all have a great one. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Y'all ready? Ready. Go ahead.
It's your girl. Hey, y'all. It's your girl.